Dentures are an everyday dental treatment option for those with broken or missing teeth. They're removable prosthetic devices which are utilized to replace teeth that are missing and to improve the appearance and functionality of your mouth. Thanks to advances in materials and technology, dental implants have gotten more natural and comfortable more than they ever have been. But the price of dentures can be a bit different depending on where you're situated. This video will examine the prices of dentures across Europe as well as Turkey to find out the way in which costs for the dental procedure differs in both regions. Europe. In Europe, the cost of dentures can be very different depending on the location and type of denture required. The average cost for a full set of dentures in Europe could range from around 800 to 2,500 euros. The price is inclusive of fittings, consultations, as well as any modifications that might be required. Dentures cost in Europe is determined by several elements like the price of the materials used, labor, as well as overhead expenses. For countries that have more affluent and higher quality living standards like Germany as well as in the United Kingdom, the cost of dentures is generally more expensive. In addition, the quality of the materials used for dentures will also affect the cost, and high-quality dentures cost higher than those of lower quality. Turkey. Turkey is now a sought-after tourist destination over the last few years due to the high-quality care provided by dentists with lower costs. Dentures cost in Turkey tends to be lower than those in Europe, which makes it a desirable alternative for those seeking affordable dental treatment. The cost for a full set of dentures in Turkey could range between 300 and 1,000 euros. The price is inclusive of fittings, consultations, as well as any modifications that might require. Dentures that cost less in Turkey is due to the lower overhead and labor expenses and the low cost of living in Turkey compared to European countries. Comparing prices. If you compare the cost of dentures between Europe as well as Turkey, it is evident that there's a substantial price difference between both areas. Dentures generally are more affordable in Turkey, are more affordable as compared to Europe, which makes them a preferred option for those seeking affordable dental treatment. But it's crucial to take into consideration other aspects in deciding where to purchase dentures. Quality of the dental treatment and the materials used to make dentures must be the top priority regardless of price. Be sure to investigate the dentists and dental clinics in both Europe as well as Turkey to make sure you receive top-quality treatment. Also, think about the costs of travel and the logistics that are involved when getting dentures in Turkey, because this could increase the expense of the treatment. Consider the costs of accommodations, flights, as well as transportation when you make your choice. Dentures cost. The cost of dentures in Europe. The cost of dentures in Europe and Turkey. The cost of dentures varies widely. The cost of dentures in Europe and Turkey, the latter Turkey providing more reasonable options in dental care. But it's crucial to look at the quality of the treatment and the materials utilized in deciding where you can get dentures. Research and speak with a trusted dentist in order for a more informed choice regarding the health of your teeth.